In 2017, Wilcox made a significant investment in optics as a core technology. We created a diverse, multidisciplinary optics team and grew capabilities in laser targeting, illumination, night vision, range-finding, fiber optics, sensors, and optical fabrication. Military optical technology is growing at a phenomenal pace. One area we've focused extensively on is augmented reality systems that allow warfighters to have text and other fused imagery overlaid on the battlefield. They don't have to take their eyes off the target to read a display. In the past, a warfighter's situational awareness was limited to his or her ability to directly interact with the environment. Advancements in optical technology have given warfighters the ability to interact with data in real time and any condition. The increase in situational awareness is directly proportional to the increases in lethality and mission efficiency. Wilcox is committed to providing the most cutting-edge and reliable military optical products on the market. Our customers' life depends on it.